Good morning all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar and I am welcoming you online classes computer class 9th class. 9th class we are reading unit spreadsheet. In this we are reading session formatting of spreadsheet. In this today's topic is formatting alignment of cell range. All of you are familiar with alignment. We have two types of alignment, horizontal and vertical. In horizontal alignment we set our data in the left, center, right, fill and justify mode. In the vertical alignment, we fill our data in the top, center and bottom mode. We can set the horizontal and vertical alignment of a data in Excel by using the option available under the alignment tab of Format Cell dialog box. The label and value can be aligned to the left, center or right of a cell range by using the corresponding alignment option. To set a particular alignment, follow the given step. Select the range of cell to be aligned, right click on it and select the Format Cell option. The Format Cell dialog box open, click on the Alignment tab. Select the desired horizontal alignment from the horizontal drop down list. In this, what we do? We just select left, center, right, fill and justify. If you select left, our data will shift in the left side. If you select center, our data come in the center. Right, our data shift in the right side. Fill the complete cell. Justify, it will give in the according to the justification. Select the desired vertical alignment for the vertical drop down. In this, what we have top, center and bottom. If we select top, our data will go in the top in the cell. Center, our data come in the center. Bottom, our data will come in the bottom of the cell. Next and important topic, fill handle. In Excel, fill handle allow the user to extend and fill a series of numbered dates or even text in the desired number of cell in the active cell of the spreadsheet. The fill handle is a small black box at the bottom right corner of the cell. In normal words, fill handle provides us a facility to write data quickly. We just type any numbers in the first cell and second cell. After that, we just drag and drop our data till our range. It will give a data in our cells. Like if we want to write two tables of 2, so we just write 2 in a cell 1, 4 in a cell 2. After that, we have an option like this, black dot. We just use to drag and write. We just drag it till our range and after that it will give us a table in our range. Copying formula with fill handle. It is similar as a fill handle. Entering data. In this, we need to write our formula in first cell. After that, we can copy our formula through the fill handle. We just select it and do it. We just fill in the last range. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe. My chapter is finished.